What do you do on the day-to-day basis? You like review some paperwork, you interact with the clients as well? Is it like proactive work where you have a lot of interaction?
On a day-to-day basis, it kind of starts with the register of title. So that is the starting point, and then you add on other aspects like the search results, and a lot of times the clients do a survey, then the survey report comes. So you basically review all the documents and anything else that the seller would have given you. Maybe they would have done some extension work, maybe they dropped a curb, or sometimes a search results shows that some work has been done, or the buyers themselves say that when they visited the property, the kitchen appears new compared to the rest of the property. So you have to kind of put through all the information you have and review it in its entirety. So if one doesn't add up, for example, the client says the kitchen looks new, but then the local search result does not show any work, then you have to raise that as an inquiry. So it's a case of looking at all aspects of the documents and see if anything doesn't add up, or if something is missing based on the information you have. So practically, it's a lot of reviewing documents. And yes, client interaction is crucial because you need that two-way system to make sure what you see on paper is what the client has seen physically, because practically you can't go and visit every property.
Wonderful. Have you been involved in property litigation, being a conveyancer?
No, not so far.
This is basically kind of paperwork and work with the client.
Yes, yes.